GE Cafe Oven, the oven control panel, and the oven quits while baking with no error code. Fix is to reboot, turn off at fuse box, wait, turn on. But this spoils food and happens too often. What can I do?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Approx 7 years, model CGS 980SEN2SS.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Not sure.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing I can think of.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. If all you need to do to reset the oven is flip the breaker off and back on, the issue is your display control board itself. As these boards get old, oftentimes they become compromised due to the heat affecting the circuit board on your oven. If the oven keeps cutting out when it heats up, the display board is no longer withstanding the heat like it's supposed to, and the board itself would need to be replaced. So below is a link to the part you'd need to order for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I checked and can order the board and downloaded the technical service guide. Will you still be available in a few days when it arrives? Should there be questions during installation?
Yes, of course. Just let me know if you need anything else.
Okay. It will be a few days until the part arrives.
Okay, good luck. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Hello again. We are now attempting to replace this part and are having problems getting access to the part in order to replace it. The gas stove top does not lift up or slide back.
Correct. You must remove all the burners and screws going into the burner base to remove the burner bases. Then remove any screws along the back or below the right and left side in order to remove the cooktop.
We removed the screws to the gas mechanism, but the igniters are attached to both the range top and the gas mechanisms. No obvious way to detach. Even if the range top could be lifted, not clear how to get to the control panel to replace it. We cannot remove the heat shield. Would you call if there's some advice that might help? Phone here is ###.
Once the range top is removed, then you just unscrew the screws coming in from the top, the bottom. Under the cooktop coming in from the back there's a screw on the right and left side. Then pull all the knobs off and remove any screws behind the knobs and the control panel pulls off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.